Hi, my name is Terry Lee, and today is video 1 in our new video series. And what we're going to be making is a multifold card template keeper. Now, we're not going to keep cards in it. We're going to make it out of cards, and we're going to keep our templates in it. So if you have a big giant drawer like this goes into my storage unit. And you just have templates in here everywhere and they're all mixed up. I'm going to show you something that I just thought of. So we're going to make it together, you and me, and hopefully we will come up with a new storage solution that we can sort and store our templates in a way that they are very easy to get to. You ready? Okay. Let me move this out of the way, which means try to put it away sitting here at the desk. Sorry about any microphone noise in case my arm hit the microphone. So what you're going to need to do this is, we don't know how many, it just depends, of these large gift card envelopes or Christmas card or birthday card envelopes. It just depends on how far you want to go. You're going to need several business envelopes. Now, I've opened these and we'll talk about what I've done to them later. Then some cards of different sizes. This one I've already decorated to the kit that I'm going to use for this. We'll talk about that in a minute too. And so I've got different sized envelopes. This one I've cut the point off of to make it easier to glue to something else. And anyway, we're going to use some CD envelopes, and let's see what else. We're going to need some possibly other miscellaneous envelopes. Just depends, like I said, on how big we make it and how many pockets and tucks and things that we need to store everything. You're going to need a junk journal kit, and I've got this large one, and I would suggest you get a large one as well. This goes in here. And this is a really pretty kit, and it's called Winter's Magic, and it's made by Lorna Taylor at Taylor Made Journals on Etsy. And it's a great big huge kit, and it's got all these beautiful papers, and some of them are journal papers. As you can see, I used one of them to make this envelope. Uh-oh, I lost it. This envelope, so that it has writing space on the front, and then it has a decoration on the back, and then you can put stuff inside. Okay? So, and in fact, though, I think I glued this one shut because I was going to use it for something else, but that's beside the point. Anyway, and there's quite a bit of ephemera as well that we can use to decorate. So we're going to put that to the side. And what our template keeper is going to look like is, it's going to go like this and like this and like this. But then you can also flip it over and it does the same thing from the other side. I've got a new camera angle here and I'm not really sure if I like it or not. I feel like I'm going this way off the camera. Anyway, maybe I'll move it. And so you're going to have all these pockets to keep templates in. We're going to be able to put envelopes and CD covers and things on here to store other templates in. And I think it's going to be a good project. It's not hard, and it just depends on how big you want to make it. It'll keep folding and folding and folding. And now, in my little prototype here, I've glued one a little crooked, so that's why mine kind of goes off like that. But actually, if you want to be able to grab the different ones easier, you might want to make them staggered a little bit, and that wouldn't be that hard to do. Okay, so what else are you going to need? You're going to need, obviously, your templates to put in it. And then you're also going to need some templates, believe it or not, to make inserts for the envelopes and things like that, and to be able to cut out these shapes. Okay, you're obviously going to need your basic supplies. You're going to need your scissors and your glue, and also going to need some sort of ink if you're going to ink around the edges. Now with this kit, I was actually had started this because I was going to use it for something else, and I was sitting there and I was looking at it and I was like, wow, great idea. So that's how this project got started. This is how most of my projects get started. I look at some envelopes and I go, wow, I could do this. I hope you enjoy my wow moments as well. So you're going to need some ink. And like I said, I used this Ranger Distressed Archival ink. And the color I used for this is Hickory Smoke, just in case you're wondering. And I got some new colors. And I was thinking that maybe if you wanted to, you could ink each envelope a different color, and that would help you find your different templates. So I don't know, it's up to you. Find 3 or 4 maybe that match the one kit that you're using. These are 4 new ones. That's why they're all sitting here together, because I'm trying to think of a way to use them all. Anyway, let's see what else you're going to need. As far as I've got so far, or let me rephrase that. I've gotten so far on the list to say that that's what we're going to need. Mainly you need all kinds of envelopes, because we're going to have different size storage, and you're going to need some CD envelopes, and something to decorate, and something to glue, and something to ink. So that's our little introduction to this project. Remember, it's going to go this way, and you can keep adding on. You can make this as big as you want, and then you can flip it over, and then it opens this way, and you've got storage on that side as well. Plus you got place to put envelopes and pictures and whatever you want to put. Okay, so I will see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Bye-bye.